Is your Android phone getting too hot after the Android 17 update? Many Google Pixel, Samsung, and other Android users are facing the same issue after updating. But don't worry, try these fixes and hopefully your phone will start running cooler. So first the thing I recommend after update, just restart your phone because your phone may still be finishing background tasks like app optimization and indexing. A quick restart can help clear those temporary processes. Next, check what's heating up your phone. Open settings, then battery, and tap battery uses. So if you notice an app using unusual amount of battery that you rarely use, like third-party keyboard or apps, go back to settings, open apps, and find the app and uninstall it if you no longer need it. Now let's adjust a few display settings. Turn on dark mode, but for this video I just turned it on. And if your phone has smooth display or a high refresh rate, consider turning it off because smoother scrolling looks great, but it also uses more power and can generate extra heat. And the common thing, if you're using a live wallpaper, switch to a regular static wallpaper instead because live wallpapers constantly use your phone's graphic processor, which can contribute to overheating. Next, turn off feature you weren't using, such as Bluetooth, cellular data, location, and nearby device scanning. So if you're no longer need it right now, just turn it off and turn that on when you need it. So now you just have to open settings, then location, open location service, scroll down and turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. This actually prevents your phone from constantly searching for nearby devices and network in the background. And then you have to avoid heavy gaming, video recording, or long videos calls while charging, since fast charging already generates heat. Also, if your phone gets hot while using the camera, let it cool down before using it again. If you're using a third-party camera app, try removing it to see if it's causing the issue. If your phone starts getting unusually hot, remove the case for a while and let it cool down naturally. Also, avoid leaving it in direct sunlight or inside a hot car as high temperatures can affect both performance and battery health. Now open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, go to settings, then network preference, and turn off auto update apps and autoplay videos. This actually helps reduce unnecessary background activity. And finally, you just check that there have any latest software update available because sometimes the latest software update can fix overheating and battery drain issue like this. So lastly, use a good quality charger and cable. If your phone is already very hot, let it cool down before charging it again. And that's it. Try these tips and see if your Android 17 phone runs cooler. So let us know which fix worked best for you. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9. Till then.